Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a poll on Instagram group chat. So guys, first of all, go to your Instagram direct message right here on the top right corner of your screen. Then you're going to open your group chat. And for example, I'm going to open this group chat. And after that, we can tap on this sticker button. Then you can simply tap on the poll option, but before it, you can tap on the sticker button again, then click on poll option. Okay, and you can add the poll questions right here. For example, I'm going to add this question. Then you can add the poll option right here. Sorry. Today, tomorrow, next month. Okay, once you're done, you can tap on the create poll option. Then the poll will be created on your Instagram group chat. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a poll on Instagram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.